Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy pancake, or as they call it in French, crepe. So first, for the ingredient, we need 1.5 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and we need 3 tablespoons of butter, and we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and it's optional if you don't like to add sugar or if you like to add less, doesn't matter, so as you like. And we need 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and also we need 1¼ cups of milk, and the milk is warm. So first step, I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave, and in that time I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt, and also I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So mix the ingredient. Mix the dry ingredients, and I'm going to leave the butter to cool down a little bit. So in that time I'm going to add the eggs to the milk. So this is the first one. Here we go. This is the second egg. Mix them. And now I'm going to add the butter. Wow. Last step, I'm going to pour the milk on the flour and mix them or combine them until mixed very well. So I'm going to mix the ingredient very well, and after that I'm going to show you how we can fry the pancake. So see you after that. Okay, so now I turn on the hob and I'm going to fry the pancake, but first I'm going to test the frying pan. It's good, so it's dry. And first step, I'm going to spread a little bit of butter in the frying pan like this. Cool. Okay guys, so here we go. The pancake is ready now. What I'm going to do, here I have a big one. I'm going to spread a little bit of butter on it, and little bit of honey. Wow, that's ready. Here we go. You can add also fresh fruit like raspberry, blackberry, berries, any kind of strawberry. And here we have some chocolate, so we can spread chocolate on the top. And here we have raspberry syrup, we can add some here. And also I have fig jam, so I'm going to add fig jam on this one. So as you like, it's good for breakfast as well. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of chopped almond on this one and on this one if you like. So here we go, pancake is ready, and here we have this one with butter and honey. So I hope you enjoy my video and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Please leave a like if you enjoyed and leave your comment down below, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe. Bye.